Hi guys, welcome to another episode. I am very excited about today. I'm going to a lake to target big ol' channel cats. We're gonna get out there and see if we can stick a couple giant trophy channel cats. So come along with me. It should be a good one. Hi guys, we're out here. I don't know how good you can see me. It's still kind of dark, but this is what I'm looking for. I'm gonna show you guys. Look, I'm 3.8 foot of water. And as you can see, the side imaging is just lit up. That's what I'm looking for right now. So there's some big ones out there too. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna start right here. I'm gonna try to spot lock. The wind is pretty gnarly, pretty crazy, but it always is when I'm fishing. So we're gonna start here. I have cut bluegill for bait. I'll show you how I rig it, show you everything, and yeah, hopefully some of these fish will bite. There's some big ones here. So this drone motor out here. We're gonna lock her into the wind, lock it up, and we're gonna start here. I'm gonna do a lot of moving today. Oh, kind of wavy, but gonna do a lot of moving today, just to figure out what's going on. See all the birds up there? I'm in the right area. I know I'm in the right area because I fish here a lot, but let's get some baits on and get started. All right, here we go. We got bluegills, and today I'm not even gonna use a knife. I'm just gonna use scissors. These are fairly small. Just cut them right in half. Oh, where are you going? Cut them right in half. Just like anywhere else in the country, they love the heads here. All right, this is my favorite time to fish also, guys. I love sunrise. Don't know why, maybe it's just preference, but I feel like everything's waking up and whatever. All right, so here's the deal today. These are 7/6 medium action Rip and Lips rods, 5/0 hook, short leader, lightweight. And these rods are gonna be fun with these fish. Hook that right through the nose. Since we're bouncing so much, I probably will leave some slack in the line today. All right. You really got to watch your rods. Sometimes these channel cats bite really soft, and sometimes they'll rock it, but since I'm bouncing so much, I got to really pay attention. I see them. I know they're out here. Trolling motor's going crazy back up there. I know they're around here somewhere. Let's see if we can get them to eat. Give each spot about 15 minutes. Keep it moving. Oh, I think that's a fish already, guys. No way. That'd be crazy. Or it's just a trolling motor going crazy. $15 mile-an-hour winds today out of the south, so it's supposed to warm up real good today. There's one. Really shallow, guys. Smoked it too. You guys see that? And we got him. And we got him. He smoked it. That was awesome. There we go. It's the average channel cat here, guys. A lot of work today. Here we go, guys. About an 8-pounder, but a healthy 8-pounder. And she rocked it. I think I finally found some fish. I only got like 2 hours. So let's see how many we can get. I'm gonna sit right here. Look at that thing, rocked it. Hey guys, a little bit here. Like I said, I got a smaller hook, it's a 5/0. And I'm also using smaller bluegill, but I'm gonna go ahead and just cut that off. Piece of bluegill like that. I know the fish are here, like I said. And that's exactly what's happening. I mean, the fish still aren't biting like crazy, but they're here. So I'm gonna throw a bigger bait and see if I can get them to go. Struggling to get them to go, but I know they're here. You could see clearly on the side imaging that they're here. So we've got about an hour left. See if we can get a few fish. I think we can. There's a good one. That one peeled drag, guys. I'm hoping it's a good one. All right. See if we can keep this one on. Oh, they're fired up, guys. That's a better one. It might be like a 20. We got him. We got him. And that's what we're here for. That's what we're here for right here. Big old dongers. Now this is a net. We're gonna take care of this right now. It's okay, bud. That's a good one. Oh man, he was hooked really good. Bluegill head. Man, that's a good one. I mean, look at these channel cats here, guys. I don't... Woo! Here we go. That's a good one. Probably about... Look at the head on that thing. Monster head. They're kind of skinny, like... They haven't really been eating too good. That one's probably about 15. Maybe. I don't know. Look how long he is. Good one. So, like I said, what I'm fishing here is the warmest water in the lake. And caught bluegill. And man, I'm marking a lot of fish, but I just can't get them to eat today. It's been really tough. So I just think it's a matter of they're not really active, but that one barely bit it. Look at the size of that thing. I mean, dude, that's a good fish. 15, 16 maybe. Let's let him go. Here he goes, back into the water. Oh, look at him. He's right there. Man, they're moving slow. Surprised I got that fish. Oh, there he goes, right there in the sonar. See him? Alright guys, that wasn't the greatest trip. It was a tough bite out on that lake. But at least we got to get out and catch a few fish. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video. I got a lot of content to edit, so hit that subscribe button, hit that like, and I'll see you guys on the next video.